Hey guys, welcome to another video. So the OnePlus 8 series will reportedly be arriving soon, probably in the next month, and with that the CEO has shared few interesting bits about these upcoming OnePlus models. OnePlus have posted banners all over their social media accounts saying all in 5G. This however is given considering how OnePlus always uses the best possible hardware in their smartphones. This year it's the Snapdragon 865 with 5G. Lau said that OnePlus has invested heavily in 5G and that OnePlus will go all in for 5G. That means every phone in the OnePlus series will have 5G support, that includes OnePlus 8, 8 Pro and the 8 Lite. That's great, but what does that mean for the price tag? Lau says that OnePlus won't be going quite far as much as the Galaxy S20. Furthermore, he says that the Pro model will be the most expensive device in the lineup, but he also assured fans that the price won't be anywhere near the $1,000 mark. And the regular OnePlus 8 will be provided at a more accessible price tag. With what we have been able to gather so far, not only are the chipset and the modem more expensive, but the antennas add quite a lot too. Additionally, this year we are gonna see the wireless charging and IP rating for the first time, which increases the price even further. And if you are wondering about the OnePlus 8 Lite, the watered down version, then it's gonna get the 5G MediaTek chipset. No Snapdragon here. And probably it will be the Dimensity 1000. I personally think OnePlus is pushing 5G as main selling point, but considering 5G is not widespread, is it really necessary? But 5G comes with the chipset, so they have no other choice. On a different note, CEO Pete Lau has revealed on Chinese Weibo handle that company will be introducing a new female-centric color for the smartphone this year, but he didn't reveal whether all the models will receive this color option. Now for some rumored price for the OnePlus 8 model, the regular OnePlus 8 will be priced around 4000 RMB, which is $600. The 8 Pro around 5,500 RMB, which is around $800 US. And these are just speculation right now, so these cannot be construed as final pricing. More updates will be coming your way, so stay tuned. See you in the next one. Peace out.